Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to ungroup image in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show ungroup image in Publisher. Now we can see. Then we show the many image. This image have group. Now we can see ungroup image in Publisher. Now select from group image. Now going to the format menu option, then click for ungroup option. That it's now click. Now you can see already ungroup from image in the apply. Now you can see ungroup image in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.